Here is one chart. The person is going to explain about it also, like X gamma rays, X rays, UV rays, and here visible light, violet, red, red, infrared, or violet and infrared. So there are middle yellow, green, blue, and microwaves, radio waves, and electronic waves, and minor discussion about them. So whose duty is to explain today? Yud. And next? You then? Rajan. Rajan. Wait. Only yours? Why? Why do only his? He just says only his? Yeah? So up to which page number he has to do? So he is absent today, means we will see here. And your duty is tomorrow? So page number? 5. And yours?
186 to 192.
Then next?
188 to 1.
Which duty is that? Ashwin. Where is Ashwin? He is also absent. And then after Ashwin? Chapter completed? Then I will give you duty to do. Okay, so here is Anupam Vidyasadan. Now he is absent, even though let's check whether his work is there or not. Hey. Please. Very lovely Singhasan is managed for you. For latecomers, we will manage very lovely Singhasan here. Eh? Nirajan Shrestha, Aryan Naruto, Simresh Maharjan, Sarvani Gautam, Deepak Mohra, Amrit Kumar. It means they have not submitted. So they have not submitted means today they will get double work.
No, sir, they have submitted.
Where? They have already submitted?
Yes. I think they have submitted very
Early. What is the name? Yud Pariyar. Yud Bauchai. Y-O-U-D. Y-O-U-D. U-D. I am sharing document 9 with you. August 3. I think this is right, August 3. August 3. Is here? And it must be this one, right? Saturday has sent one attachment. This is the question, sir. This is youth's question, sir. Then Y-O-U-D. Yud. Which one? This one? 31? This may be right. One attachment, presentation for web modeling. Okay. So, presentation of the portion chapter web. Let's see what he has mentioned here. I think he became a little bit late today. He may be coming. Okay, children, what is at first the portion of discussion? That is electromagnetic spectrum. What is first? Electromagnetic spectrum. Miss, what are writing? Don't write anything, write later on. Okay, first discuss, and there will be time for reading, memorizing, understanding, and writing. Understood or not? Because you have to do one work at a time. Miss Gubaji, what are you doing now? You pack up your pen, copy. Okay. We have discussed electromagnetic waves. How do you define electromagnetic waves? What is the definition? Those waves which do not need any medium for propagation, or which are not affected by magnetic and electric fields, they are called electromagnetic waves. Now here is given electromagnetic spectrum. So I think diagram he has not given here. Is it given here diagram? What is the diagram of electromagnetic spectrum? Why is it taking long time to open? So I think we need to download, right? Let me download it. Otherwise, it's taking long time. So whatever presentation is there. What type of tracing is it? How has it done?
Sit down. I think you see like page.
And what did we pay PDF? He has made PDF or what? It looks PDF,
Yeah.
right? He has made PDF. To open also it takes time. What type of PDF is it? Gamma rays, ultraviolet rays, infrareds, radio waves. The representation of electromagnetic waves according to their wavelength and frequency. Representation of electromagnetic waves on the basis of their frequency or wavelength is called, what do you call it? Electromagnetic spectrum. It shows, this side we can see the frequency and this side we can see wavelength. More frequency, less wavelength. Less frequency, more wavelength. It means frequency and wavelength are inversely proportional to each other. We know the formula. What is the formula of wave velocity? V equals to lambda times f. So lambda, wavelength is inversely proportional to frequency. Frequency is inversely proportional to lambda. Inversely proportional means if one increases, another decreases. Here also you can see same thing. Which rays are these? Y rays given, right? But we call them gamma. Gamma rays, what is their wavelength? 10 to the power minus 15 meter. And their frequency 10 to the power 23 hertz. It is expressed in hertz, it is expressed in meter. Alright? So they are inversely proportional to each other. If you go from left to right, wavelength increases. See, 10 to the power minus 15, 10 to the power minus 13, 10 to the power minus 11, 10 to the power minus 7, 10 to the power minus 5, 10 to the power minus 1, 3, 5, 10 to the power 10. And here, what is here? 10 to the power 23. So power 23 is more than 21. But if we talk about minus, 10 to the power minus 15 is less than 10 to the power minus 13. Right? Make concept clear. Negative power means more is less, less is more. Positive power, more is more, less is less. So I mean, which one is bigger? 10 to the power minus 3 is bigger or 10 to the power 21 is bigger? Which one is bigger? 10 to the power 23 is bigger. So 10 to the power minus 17 is bigger or 10 to the power minus 12 is bigger? So see, in negative, lesser power is bigger. In positive, higher power is bigger. So just keep in mind. So now let's discuss his presentation. His presentation is where here? His presentation also, what is this? What type of presentation I made, bro? Yeah, what is this? So what is this? Then it's not like PowerPoint. It's a PDF. Why did you make PDF? Why did you make PDF? What I convert? You made in Word and you converted? Sorry? PowerPoint, you have to send PowerPoint.
That one you say that's right.
One?
If you say that PowerPoint from 2001 that you go only, that's right.
Not this one, remember. Otherwise it became a bit difficult, no? So how to open? So let me see. Okay, sit down there. Go. Whether it is possible to open from next one or not. Where is open with? Is open with Google Chrome. Adobe Acrobat is there. It's not. Why did you make this PDF file?
I think one presentation, one is face blank and another presentation.
The speed is 3 times 10 to the power 8 meter per second in vacuum. 3 times 10 to the power 8 meter per second in vacuum, right? And why did he give? And what are the examples of those electromagnetic waves?
Visible light, radio waves, X-ray, Y rays.
Visible light, radio waves, X-rays, gamma rays, etc. Right? So what is this? So such type of thing is here. Doesn't go also. So you have to make either in PDF or Word, eh? So here are given some electromagnetic waves and their applications. What is the first wave? Radio waves. Where are the radio waves located? Beyond the infrared waves, they are radio waves. So we are able to hear all these FMs, television signals, because of radio waves. So what is the wavelength? What is their wavelength? 10 to the power minus 1 to 10 to the power 3 meter. Means 10 to the power minus 1 means 0.1 meter, means 10 centimeter to 1000 meter. 10 centimeter to 1000 meter. So they are produced by electrical oscillations. Electrical oscillations means by the vibrations of electrons. Electronic oscillation means by the vibration moving towards to and forward motion. Where are radio waves used? Where are they used? Yeah, they are useful in the field of communication. Radio waves, television waves, these all are radio waves. They can transfer or transmit very quickly, and they are used in radio telescope for the study of space. These are the two. Next one is infrared radiation. When we stay outside, then we feel hot. When it is sunny day, right? Why do we feel hot? Because of one wave. What is that? Infrared rays or infrared radiation. You have to keep in mind these infrared radiations, they are produced by hot bodies. Electric heater also produces infrared rays. Gas stove also produces infrared rays. So gas burns continuously and the food is cooked inside the vessel because heat rays, they just move from one place to another. Those are infrared radiations. So it becomes hotter. Hot bodies especially, they provide us infrared radiation. Nowadays we can get induction heater. Have you noticed? Do you have induction heater at home? Yes or no? Or infrared heater? What do you have? No? Do you use electric heater during winter season or not?
Yes.
So what type heater is that? Is for cooking or only getting warmth?
Getting one.
Warmth only. So that is also that also provides you infrared rays. Okay, infrared rays. And what are the uses of these infrared rays? Number one, they are used as a source of heat. Number second, they are used in remote control. I think few people they use remote control nowadays, right? How many of you are using television at home? Oh, they all use. And do you use the infrared? That means those remote control, or do you go in touch? For this also there is remote control. Now for this smart board also there is remote control. It works and works. Off and on can be done with the help of remote control. Next one is visible light. Visible light means here you have to remember those 7 different colors. What are they? Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. VIBGYOR. What is that? VIBGYOR. Remember, VIBGYOR. What is V? Violet. VIOLET. I. What is that? Indigo. B. What is B? Blue. What is G? Green. What is E? Yellow. What is O? orange. What is R? Red. Among them, which has the highest speed? Yeah, red has highest speed, right? And which has the lowest speed? Violet has lowest speed. So we can see or we can observe the rainbow in the sky sometimes, right? So that is dispersion of light. What do you call it? Dispersion of light. So white light splits into how many different colors? 7. And at the top there is red, at the bottom there will be violet. Just observe it, eh? So visible light. Where is visible light used? What are the applications of visible light? So he didn't mention here. So visible light is useful for viewing the things, especially, and it makes everything visible. See, here are the uses of visible light. Can you see? What is the first one? They help human eyes for vision. You can see me, I can see you. And that camera is recording all those things because of light also. When there is no light, then can you record all those things? No better quality videos are produced. They are used in photography. They initiate photosynthesis in green plants. Green plants can manufacture their food because of light. If no light, no photosynthesis. What is produced at the end of photosynthesis? Do you know? Oh, students, tell me. What is produced at the end of photosynthesis? In photosynthesis, carbon dioxide and water, they react together in presence of sunlight. See, here is sunlight and here is chlorophyll. What should be there? Chlorophyll. Then what do you get here? C6H12O6. C6H12O6. This is glucose or starch plus beneficial thing is there. What does it give? Oxygen gas. So plants are much more beneficial for us because they give us oxygen, which is essential for respiration. So they are used in the display screens of different devices. So in mobiles, is there display screen or not? In radio, I think in radio there is no display screen. In television there is display screen. So in this display screen also what is used? Light. When there is no light, it does not function well. Now next portion is there. Ultraviolet rays, UV rays. So UV rays, they just lie next to violet rays and their wavelength is 4 times 10 to the power minus 9 meter to 10 to the power minus 8 meter. Meter is lacking. Means they have got very short wavelength, high frequency. And where are they used? They are used in burglar alarms for producing some sounds. They use it. They are used for detecting real pearl. So pearl means it is a kind of precious thing. It is found in oceans. So by supplying that UV rays, we can check whether there is UV rays or so pearl or not. And then not only that, UV rays are used for producing electricity. That light. UV rays are used for producing light in tube light. Have you seen tube light? Nowadays, I think people they don't use tube light. Many people they don't use. They use such type of LED. What the full form LED? Light emitting diode. So LED. But those tube lights are a bit lengthy also, longer also, and in them UV rays are responsible for producing light. Next one is X-rays. How many of you have done your body parts X-ray? 1, 2, only 2? Only 2% they have done. Which part is done? Hands. Your head? Oh, head. That is CT scan, right? CT scan. There is multiple MRI also done. Oh, that is a bit complicated process, right? And hand means one just it is kept like that. And my tooth X-ray also done. Tooth X-ray. Just keep over there something and then correct do it. And a small X-ray film is found. Chest X-ray also is done. And my this X-ray, part X-ray also done. Because X-rays, their wavelength is 10 to the power minus 12 to 10 to the power minus 9 meter. Very less. I already told you, if frequency is less, wavelength is more. Here is frequency is wavelength is very less, their frequency is very high. And where are these X-rays used? Where are the X-rays used? Do you know? Oh, so many uses of UV rays are there. He mentioned only two. Use lazy boy. Here are 7 uses. He made. He just did only two. X-rays. How many uses are here? 5. What is the first one? They are used to take the pictures of internal organs of our body, especially of our bones. Right? They are used to identify the presence of black holes in the space. Black holes. That is not the hole. That is a dead star. Once upon a time it was very huge star, but it's all hydrogen content finished, and now it is not able to produce any more light now, even though it has high gravity. It absorbs everything what comes near to it. That is called black hole. And by the help of X-rays, they can identify whether there is black hole or not. It is used to scan luggage during security checks. Yeah, luggages especially in airports. Do they scan or not? Scanning luggage. So luggage just passes from one place, and in the screen we can check. We can find out what is there. If there is metal, it shows that metal, and immediately. X-ray therapy is used to kill cancer cells in patient's body. So if there is unnecessary growth of cells in the body, at that time they use X-rays to kill those extra cells. That is X-ray therapy. And it is used in the study of crystals and determination of the presence of minerals in earth crust. Whether there is gold, silver present in earth crust or not, by passing X-rays they can find out. There are some devices. The last portion is gamma rays. What are they? Gamma rays. What is the wavelength? Less than 10 to the power minus 11 meter. Very short wavelength, but very high frequency. Frequency high, wavelength less. Frequency less, high. Just remember. And here are some of the uses of gamma rays. What is the first one? They are used in the study of space. Outer space can be studied. They are used in the presence of preservation of food for a very long time by killing harmful germs present in them. So if you want to preserve the food, first of all what to do? That food must be treated with gamma rays. Gamma rays are supplied to it.
So from where it came from?
Gamma rays is produced by the machines which produce gamma rays. There are special devices like X-rays are produced from X-ray machine. Gamma rays are produced by gamma rays machine. Yes or no? They are not visible. It's a machine, and those rays must be provided to the food only, not in our body. That is also harmful, isn't it? We have to be careful. Preservation of food. So after treating with food, that food is packed. No bacteria, can be used for a long period of time. But actually, we must not focus on those packed food. Packed food is not so much hygienic also. Even though we may get new taste, but later on we can suffer from different problems. They are used in diagnosis of cancer. They are used in the sterilization of surgical accessories. Sterilization means for removing all the bacteria and viruses for those devices. Surgery, have you heard surgery? Sometimes there may be surgery of liver or operation, we can say. So those devices which are used for operation must be free from germs or not. So they are made free from germs by treating with gamma rays. Okay, that is all. Now next presentation will be of Rajan Thapa and next will be of Ashwin, right? But one thing remember, Ashwin's mobile is not there.
He has sent already.
Already sent? Oh good, because his mobile is already submitted to me. Two students' mobile is submitted to me. One is Nirajan Bhatta, next one Ashwin Shrestha. Because of mobile, they could not do much better. So that is the thing. So if you are also not doing anything, please submit your mobile. And I will make one pile of all mobiles, minimum 400 mobiles in Anupam, and one day display. And don't use too much mobiles because they produce harmful rays and they damage the eyesight, our thinking power, creativity, etc. For construction work only you have to do it. Okay, that is all about today. So now students, open your book everybody. I will give you some time for reading. It's 45 minutes for reading. Just read carefully, outline the major parts. Then you start doing your note work. And at that time, Mr. Neopani will check your copy. Okay? Come on.